Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change font size on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if the font size on your cell phone feels too small or too large, don't need to be worried guys, because you can change or adjust the font size. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down and go to display menu. And then after that, now you can scroll down again. And then now you can go to font size and style, and here now you can adjust the size of your font. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change font size, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye guys.